Come with me for a moment. Let's find a quiet place within ourselves. Imagine the gentle rustle of leaves, the soothing sound of a flowing stream. Together we can explore a path to calm and tranquility. Here, in this serene space, we find the essence of sacred crystals. Imagine walking through this journey together. Imagine finding a serene, natural way to lighten that load. This is where anti-stress crystals come into our story. They are not just stones, they are companions on your path to calm and clarity. Picture this. You're in a quiet space, surrounded by the gentle energy of these crystals. You close your eyes, take a deep breath, and allow their soothing presence to wash over you. These crystals serve as a reminder, a gentle nudge to take a moment for yourself amidst the chaos of daily life. They remind you to pause, breathe deeply, and reconnect with the calm within. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to forget to take care of our inner selves. These crystals help quiet the mind, allowing you to let go of stress and anxiety. By focusing on their energy, you can find peace and clarity. Through mindful moments, these crystals guide you to balance and tranquility. They ground you in the present moment, helping you stay centered. By incorporating these crystals into your routine, you create a sanctuary of calm and serenity, no matter where you are. As we conclude our journey together, remember that peace and balance are always within your reach. Our anti-stress crystals are here to support you, to be your companions in finding tranquility amidst the chaos of life. Explore our collection and discover the perfect crystals to help you on your path to calm and clarity. Each crystal is a step towards a more centered, serene you.